went to Dr. Sikorski and I said, you know what, I really want to have some major changes done without having anybody really know. And she was completely honest with me. She has the ability to let me see what I can be. It's a trust thing.
So part of the face evaluation is, do they need just a jowl lift? Do they need a neck lift? Do they need both? Which basically starts to put them into whether or not they need a facelift. And so when I'm looking at them, I'm thinking, how can I get the best result in the simplest way for patients? I mean, the least amount of downtime, you know, to make them look good. And for those patients, we came up with something called the active lift. And what that is just not as involved as a facelift. It's just a little bit less. The incisions are a little bit smaller. We go behind the ear, but we may not go behind and up into the back of the ear.
I didn't want to look pinched, pulled, or too plumped. And I think it has made me look better. I don't think that I look different. That was one of my concerns. She knew I didn't want to have that severe look of a facelift, so she said that that was her goal also, to make it look very natural and very fresh.
The facelift that I do is not the real aggressive where we're deep plane facelift. I don't really believe in those facelifts.
Within 2 weeks, I was pretty much able to see my chin underneath had been completely redefined, as well as I could see a really sustainable change in my eyes and in my structure of my face. So it was pretty amazing. After just 2 weeks, I was able to return back to work.
And a lot of times what we'll do is we'll make it so that we tighten all the underlying structures. We tighten the muscle, we're making sure that there's no pull on the face. Because the thing about any kind of lift, either neck or face or jowl, whatever we're doing, we don't want it to look pulled. We don't want to have any scoops or any of that kind of stuff in the face.
Well, I think the best thing I noticed was that I didn't have droopy eyes any longer. My forehead was more flush. I think overall it made me look rested. You don't look like she pulled a rubber band around your head. You just look rested.
I felt like I was back in my 20s because I've been vital, I'm very active, I exercise all the time, 2 kids, the career, real busy, so I just felt more that I looked like the way I felt inside.
It's just really important to me that as they go forward in their lives that they have a really nice result that they get to live with and to enjoy, and that it's just very subtle and beautiful.